You need to hear this if you're a travel nut. A monkey party like no other awaits in Thailand. Every year, the streets of Lopburi go absolutely bananas. Literally, this is the Monkey Buffet Festival, where thousands of cheeky macaques are treated to a feast fit for a king. Picture this, towering pyramids of fruit, treats stacked sky high, and monkeys having the time of their lives. Why, you ask? It's a way for locals to thank these furry friends for bringing in tourists. Talk about monkey business. And the monkeys, oh, they don't hold back. They jump, they munch, they even play food fights. It's a sight that's equal parts adorable and chaotic. So if you've got a soft spot for animals and a love for unique festivals, pack your bags for Lopburi next November. And remember, folks, always keep a banana handy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more quirky travel tales.